He's sort of swept up unawares. There are small creatures on my planet that are called Jawas, and they're sort of scavengers of the desert, and when they discover robots that are not properly identified, they clean them up and sell them door-to-door android salesmen. And I purchased 2 robots that have hidden rebel tapes. I inadvertently purchased robots that are very important to there's a galactic civil war being raged in the galaxies between the baddies, we don't know why they're bad, they're just bad, and the goodies. And the robots contain information that could be very helpful to the goodies.